Looking for the perfect Caribbean getaway that truly has something for everyone? Let me tell you about Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa in St. Lucia, a place that has been making waves in the all-inclusive resort scene since it opened back in 1992. This 4-star property sits on the stunning southern coast of St. Lucia, right on the mole at Cheek Peninsula in Vieux Fort, and it has undergone some serious transformations over the years. After being rebranded and expanded in 2005 to include an adults-only section, the resort was acquired by Playa Hotels and Resorts in 2017, and they have been pouring love and money into it ever since. The most recent $20 million renovation in 2022 and 2023 brought fresh new looks to the rooms, added a gorgeous infinity pool, upgraded the spa facilities, and enhanced the water park that families absolutely adore. What makes this place really interesting is its dual-concept layout. They have split the resort into 2 distinct wings called Harmony and Splash, and this clever design means that couples looking for romance can enjoy their peace and quiet while families with energetic kids can have all the fun they want without disturbing anyone. The resort sprawls across an impressive 85 acres of tropical paradise, giving you plenty of space to explore, relax, and find your perfect spot, whether that is by the beach, at the pool, or tucked away in a quiet corner with a good book. When it comes to accommodations, Coconut Bay really delivers with over 250 rooms and suites spread across those 2 wings we mentioned. Every single room comes with the all-inclusive package, which means your balcony or terrace, air conditioning, free wireless internet, daily stocked minibar, coffee maker, safe, and 24/7 room service are all included in your stay. Let me walk you through what you can expect in each wing. The Harmony section is strictly for adults, and the deluxe king rooms here measure about 398 square feet with a king bed, sitting area, and marble bathroom with a shower. You will find flat-screen televisions, iPod docking stations, plush bathrobes and slippers, and premium toiletries waiting for you. These rooms offer either garden or partial ocean views, and they sleep 2 adults comfortably. The real treat here is the tranquility and priority access to spa services. During the summer low season, you are looking at around $350 to $450 per night, while winter high season can run you $600 to $800. If you want a better view, the Harmony Ocean View King rooms are the same size but come with larger balconies and full ocean views, plus they throw in binoculars for whale watching, which is pretty thoughtful. These run about $50 to $100 more per night, depending on the season. For those wanting more space, the Harmony Junior Suites are 592 square feet with a separate living room, and you can even add a plunge pool for an extra $100 a night if you are feeling fancy. Over in the Splash Wing, which welcomes families, the deluxe rooms are slightly smaller at 366 square feet, but can accommodate up to 4 people with either 1 king or 2 queen beds. These rooms have water park access included and start around $300 to $400 in low season. The Splash Family Suites are where things get really spacious at 646 square feet with 2 bedrooms, bunk beds, and even an Xbox available on request. These can sleep up to 6 people and are perfect for larger families or groups traveling together. The rooms were all refreshed during that big renovation, so guests in 2024 and 2025 have been raving about the modern aesthetics, clean lines, white linens, and wooden accents that give everything a fresh tropical vibe. Now let me talk about the food and drink situation, because this is where Coconut Bay really shines, with 5 full restaurants and 7 bars all included in your package. The Jerk Treehouse is the casual beach grill serving up authentic Caribbean and Jamaican cuisine from 11 in the morning until 10 at night. You absolutely have to try their jerk chicken, fish tacos, and plantain fries while sitting with your toes in the sand. They host special jerk nights weekly that locals even try to sneak into. For a more upscale experience, Coconut Walk Steakhouse is the only place that requires reservations, and trust me, you want to book this one early. They serve dinner from 6 to 10 with a smart casual dress code, so leave the shorts in your room. The filet mignon and lobster tail are exceptional, and they do rum pairings that will introduce you to some seriously good local spirits. If you are into Asian cuisine, Silk offers fusion dishes including sushi rolls, stir-fries, and dim sum for dinner with themed Asian nights that change up the menu and keep things interesting. La Luna brings Mediterranean and Italian flavors with fresh pasta, wood-fired pizzas, and crisp salads, plus they offer pizza-making classes if you want to get hands-on. The coffee shop might sound simple, but it is open from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, serving pastries, sandwiches, tropical smoothies, and they do a lovely afternoon tea service. As for the bars, the Red Iguana Swim-Up Bar is legendary for their piña coladas and local rum punches, staying open from 10 in the morning until midnight with live DJs in the evenings getting everyone in the party mood. Premium drinks cost extra, but the standard all-inclusive options are generous and well-made. What guests consistently mention in reviews is the variety and quality of the food, with most saying they never felt like they were eating the same thing twice during their week-long stays. The staff in the restaurants get particular praise for being attentive without being overbearing, and they are great at accommodating dietary restrictions if you let them know in advance. The pool and beach situation at Coconut Bay is honestly one of the best features of the entire resort. They have 4 distinct pools, each serving a different purpose and crowd. The Harmony Infinity Pool is adults only and measures about 25 meters long with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters. It has a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and the Infinity Edge gives you those Instagram-worthy shots with the ocean stretching out behind you. The Splash Water Park is where families spend most of their time, featuring multiple slides, a lazy river, and splash zones that keep kids entertained for hours. There is also a quiet pool for families who want to swim without all the water park excitement, and a shallow kids pool for the little ones. All pools are open from 7 in the morning until 10 at night year-round, and towel service is included so you do not have to lug anything from your room. But honestly, the real star of the show is the beach. Picture 1,000 feet of powdery white sand with calm, crystal-clear waters that are perfect for swimming. The beach has a gentle slope so it is safe for kids but still deep enough for adults to actually swim rather than just wade. They provide free kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling equipment, while scuba diving is available for an additional fee. The beach butlers are a nice touch, walking around offering to bring you drinks, fresh fruit, or grilled lunches right to your lounger. You can rent cabanas if you want some shade and privacy, and they come with extra cushions, a cooler stocked with water and sodas, and butler service. The water activities are managed by a professional team that gives safety briefings and equipment instruction, so even beginners feel comfortable trying something new. Guests consistently rate the beach as one of the highlights of their stay, with many saying it is even better than the photos suggest. The sand is so fine it squeaks when you walk on it, and the water stays warm year-round, averaging around 80 degrees. Activities at Coconut Bay go way beyond just lounging by the pool or beach, though those are certainly excellent options. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped for a resort with treadmills, free weights, stationary bikes, Peloton bikes, and TRX suspension training equipment. They offer complimentary group classes including yoga, aqua aerobics, and beach boot camps, while personal training sessions are available for an additional fee. The center is open from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, so early birds and night owls can both fit in their workouts. The yoga pavilion deserves special mention because it sits right on the beach with ocean views during your sun salutations, and the instructors are certified and genuinely skilled rather than just going through the motions. Water sports are a huge draw here, with everything from windsurfing lessons to catamaran sailing included in your stay. They run group snorkeling trips to nearby reefs where you can see tropical fish, sea turtles, and occasionally even dolphins. For the more adventurous, they offer ziplining excursions through the rainforest canopy at $80 per person, and these get booked up quickly, so reserve early. Evening entertainment includes weekly steel drum bands, fire shows that are actually impressive rather than cheesy, and karaoke nights that get surprisingly competitive. The resort also hosts seasonal events like carnival parties in July with costumes and dancing, and Christmas brings fireworks and special holiday shows. What is nice is that the activities never feel forced or mandatory. You can participate as much or as little as you want without staff constantly pestering you to join in, which some guests really appreciate after experiencing more aggressive entertainment teams at other resorts. The Coconut Bay Spa is a true sanctuary with 8 treatment rooms, a sauna, steam room, hydrotherapy facilities, and that beachfront yoga pavilion we mentioned. They offer all the standard treatments you would expect like Swedish massage, hot stone therapy, facials, and body wraps, but their signature treatment is the St. Lucian Soufflé chocolate massage that uses locally made chocolate in a warm, aromatic treatment that leaves your skin incredibly soft. Couples can book the romantic rituals that include side-by-side massages, champagne, and chocolate-covered strawberries in a private suite with ocean views. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 7 at night, and you can book treatments through their app or with the concierge. Prices are reasonable for a resort spa, with massages starting around $120 for 50 minutes. They use organic products when possible and incorporate local ingredients like coconut oil, aloe vera, and tropical fruits into their treatments. The therapists are professionally trained and licensed, not just resort employees who took a weekend course. Many guests mention booking multiple treatments during their stay because the quality is so high and the atmosphere is so relaxing. The hydrotherapy circuit with hot and cold plunge pools, steam room, and relaxation lounge is complimentary if you book a treatment, or you can purchase day access for about $40. The wellness programs extend beyond the spa with meditation sessions on the beach at sunrise, nutritional consultations, and detox programs that include special menu items, juices, and spa treatments designed to help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. For families traveling with children, CocoLand is the kids club that operates from 9 in the morning until 9 at night for ages 0 to 12. Yes, they even take infants if you need a break, though obviously the activities vary by age group. The younger kids do arts and crafts, watch movies, play games, and have supervised pool time. Older kids get more adventurous activities like treasure hunts around the resort, sports tournaments, and beach games. The staff-to-child ratio is impressive, usually around 1 adult for every 6 to 8 kids, and all employees are background checked and trained in child safety. Parents get a pager so they can be reached immediately if needed, but most report that their kids love the club so much they actually ask to go back each day. The club is included in your all-inclusive package with no extra fees, which is a huge money saver compared to resorts that charge hourly rates. There are also family-friendly activities scheduled throughout the day that parents and kids can do together, like sandcastle building competitions, family Olympics, and movie nights on the beach with popcorn. The Splash Wing has connecting rooms available so families can have space while staying close together, and the suites with bunk beds are designed with kids in mind with durable furniture and easy-to-clean surfaces. High chairs, cribs, bottle warmers, and baby monitors are all available on request at no charge. The restaurants have kids' menus with familiar options like chicken fingers and pasta alongside healthier choices, and the staff is genuinely good with children rather than just tolerating them. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.